Trainline tips. What facilities do European trains have? Each train company offers different onboard facilities, and what you get can also depend on your ticket type. Luckily with Trainline, you can compare different ticket options for your journey in an instant. All European trains have onboard toilets and luggage compartments, some with strict size restrictions. And if you're bringing a bike with you, there may be special storage areas, but you'll need a reservation. Some trains, usually the more modern ones, will have air conditioning, Wi-Fi, and power outlets to make your journey more comfortable. But sometimes these are just perks for first-class passengers. If you're travelling for a while, it's worth checking if there are food options on your train to avoid hunger pangs. Some services will have onboard cafes or food carts selling light snacks, sandwiches and drinks, while premium services may offer full meals either at your seat or in a dining carriage. If your train doesn't have food facilities, you're better off grabbing some food at the station and bringing it with you. Bear in mind that there's no smoking allowed on board. For specific details about your train's facilities, head over to our Trainline tips page. Trainline, Europe's leading train and bus app.